If you're an affiliate marketer, you've probably heard about the dream car competition. Well, today I'm going to show you the strategy I'm using to be one of the people who achieves the dream car. And if you don't know what the dream car is all about, then stick with me as I'll explain what it is and how I'm going to win it, and how you can too. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So what is the dream car competition? Well, if you're a Clickfunnels user, you probably have heard about it. You might even be trying to win it already. But for those who don't know what it is, let me explain. Russell Brunson, one of the owners of Clickfunnels, decided a while ago that he needed a way to incentivize more of his affiliate network to make sales. So he created the Dream Car competition. It's solely for Clickfunnels affiliates and rewards you with payment toward your dream car. How it works is basically, and there are a few more rules to it, but basically if you have 100 active users via your affiliate link using Clickfunnels, it'll give you $500 per month for your dream car. Not bad, right? And if you can get 200 active users, it'll give you $1,000 per month towards your dream car, which is probably a slightly better car than at $500, right? Now, I'm a relatively new user of Clickfunnels in the scheme of things. I've used a number of different page builder platforms over the years, on my online journey. But since I've been using Clickfunnels, I've become a big fan. I really do love it. So I'm all in. I'm going for that dream car. Now, before you think this is all about me, the reason I'm going after the dream car is twofold. Sure, it means I'll be making some nice commissions in my business, which is what we all should be striving for. So that's a good thing, right? And two, because if I'm able to help hundreds of people get access to Clickfunnels and discover the benefits that I've found, then they too can make good commissions and build a sustainable business with awesome funnels, and it's a win-win, which is something I'm always looking for in business. Now, the strategy I'm using is not original to me. I've learned the components from others and just put my own little spin on different parts to make it suitable for me, which you can do also. So it's important to recognise the contribution to this strategy from two people that I admire in this space, Anthony Morrison and Doug Bowden. Okay, so let's jump into the 5-step process that I'm using to win the dream car that I'm recommending you use as well. The first step of the process is a variation on the simple lead magnet process and involves giving away a free course. So you may be familiar with the concept of using a lead magnet to collect email addresses as part of your affiliate marketing business. And in most cases, this lead magnet is going to be something that you created that's related to your affiliate offer that comes next. Now, this is totally fine for growing your email list, and you should have funnels designed to do that. In this strategy, our ultimate goal is to help people understand the benefits of being a Clickfunnels user. So you're going to want to provide them with something that helps them see the power of being a Clickfunnels user. So you create a short course that provides them with value and give it to them for free, like your lead magnet. Obviously, this course is going to be delivered to them in a Clickfunnels member area using a Clickfunnels designed funnel. Simple enough to start with, right? Okay, now the second key component of this strategy is a resources section. Once you have your leads in your free course, you'll have the lessons built out in a section within the members area. Now, as an additional bonus, so to speak, you'll include a resources section that shows your leads some of the tools or products that you're using that are relevant to the free course that you gave them. Each of these tools will be products that you are an affiliate for, and if you're an affiliate marketing space, should be from the Clickfunnels stable of products. What this does is it helps utilize what's known as the sticky link for these leads within Clickfunnels. So what that means is if a lead clicks on your affiliate link and goes to the Clickfunnels site and purchases any of the available products, they become a referred lead of you. They're sticky to you. So if they subsequently become a Clickfunnels user, they're assigned to your tally in the Dream Car competition. So you want to have a few resources in this section that will drive people to Clickfunnels. This should include, obviously, a link to the Clickfunnels free 14-day trial. Makes sense, right? You can have any number of resources you like in this section, but remember, they should be related to the free course content and be something that helps the lead implement what you taught them in the free course. The third step in the strategy, which is one I learned from Doug, is to include another free course within the members area that's only accessible once they've set up their free 14-day trial of Clickfunnels using your link. This is ninja stuff and really cool idea that Doug created. Well, I think he created it. There may be others using it too, but Doug is where I learned it. What you do here is you have another course. Maybe it's something like how to use Clickfunnels or how you use Clickfunnels that your leads can unlock once they confirm with you that they set up their free trial of Clickfunnels via your link. Once you can confirm they've done that, you unlock the extra material for it. Now, since we entrepreneurs love learning and love free content that helps us, this is a great way to help encourage your leads to use your link and attach themselves to your account for the purposes of the Dream Car competition. And you're helping with how to use the software and build their business. So you've created a win-win scenario for both of you, which is pretty cool. The fourth component of the strategy is in the design of the members area. One of the great things about Clickfunnels is the amount of design flexibility you have with the pages. So a key part of this strategy is going to be how you design the main elements of the member area and the individual lesson pages. The first thing you want to do is have a main page design for the member area, which you can learn to edit simply enough once inside Clickfunnels. And if you want to learn about that, you can watch a separate video I did on using Clickfunnels by clicking the link up there. The basic idea is you want to add a few buttons to the main member area pages that give your new members the opportunity to sign up to Clickfunnels or other related Clickfunnels products. One of the products that I'm using is the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I talked about in this video up there. Not only does the One Funnel Away Challenge provide great commissions, but it also will create a sticky link with your lead for your dream car ambitions. You can have as many of these buttons on your members or your main members pages as you like, but I suggest maybe 2 at the top and maybe 1 at the bottom of the pages is enough. If you have any more, it could become too much of a distraction and look a little bit salesy. Remember, your role as an affiliate marketer is to help people solve a problem they're having in their business. So make sure you remain focused on that goal and let the commissions come to you rather than trying to force them. The final part of the process is, as always with these funnels, is to drive traffic to your free course, which you can do with a simple opt-in page or as simple as the account creation page for the course member area. Now, I'm using my existing email list, solo ads and Google ads to drive traffic to this funnel. And in time, we'll do another video to update on what's working best and how I'm progressing. I'm drawing on tactics I've learned from Anthony Morrison to drive traffic. If you want to see what I've done, or you're someone who wants to get started in the affiliate marketing business, then click the link in the description to access my free training course and all the extra bonuses that I've included. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how you too can win the Dream Car competition with Clickfunnels. So let's do a quick recap of the key parts of the strategy. First is give away a free course. The second is include a resources section in your members area. 3 is add another course that is locked until they set up a Clickfunnels account with you. 4 is include buttons in your page design to key affiliate links within Clickfunnels. And 5 is drive traffic to your funnel. Now, if you want to follow what I'm doing or you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started in building a sustainable, profitable affiliate marketing business and on your way to winning the dream car. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to my free course on affiliate marketing and how to get started. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description just down there and let's get you started from today.